Welcome back to yet another renovated and completed job by 9to5 Reno. As part of our process, we try to speak with our clients, get some feedback. That way we can be better at our craft and also kind of see what went well. So as far as that, a very big component for renovations, of course, is quality. Wanted to chat with you, what are your thoughts on the quality that took place here at your renovation?
Yeah, I think we're really happy with the finished product, and I think it'll market itself very well for a tenant. I think the team is really responsive with some of my design ideas, including in the bathroom, or the backsplash in the kitchen, as well as some of the paint accents as well. So I was really happy with the positive response we got from everyone on that.
That's good. I was gonna say, I did look at the bathroom. As far as the designing, I might hire you in the future. just letting you know.
Okay.
If you get a call from me, just be like, yeah, all right, sounds good. Give me a quote.
Anytime.
Okay, sounds good. And just a final thing, which is a big thing as well, as far as the budget, how did we do with the budget? Were we on budget? Did we go over?
Yeah, so we were pretty happy with how things went with the budget. Of course, as you can see, we did add some premium accents that were a little bit more additional, as well as the tiling in the front entrance area, but the team was pretty transparent about what that would cost. I'm quite a savvy client, so I did shop it around, and we did think that it was on par with what was in the market for some of those additions. So yeah,
it's good. Yeah, we got a smart client. Pretty much confirmed everything, so that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess one last thing as well. If you were to rehire us, would you rehire us?
Yeah, for sure. We do have some bathrooms upstairs. So this house is over 25 years old.
Okay.
I don't want to date myself, but so this is our second house. So I think that, they're with a lot of homes in Scarborough that are a bit older, you do need a refresh, every couple of decades.
Yeah.
So we would be looking to do those bathrooms for sure, and a couple different structural changes upstairs, which we're considering 905 for. That's exciting.
Sounds good. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for having us, and I look forward to working again.
Take care.
Thank you.